So I've gotten more idea about what I want to do, what direction I want to take, and what opportunities are out there for me. Coming here for 3 years has really helped me a lot, and also giving me more options on the table as well than before, where I'd probably like do anything, but now I'd probably stick to something that I like or like I enjoy doing it.
Be on time, don't panic, because I say the second year was mainly, I panicked a lot whenever I felt like I could get something done. But then now I'm like, I can just get on with it. And it's like time management as well. Like plan out what you're gonna do, when you're gonna do it. It makes it so much easier than every other year that I did it. This year was probably the easiest because I actually planned out when I'm gonna start and when I'm trying to finish.
I'd say to take it serious and also enjoy like the whole process of it, because 3 years might look like a long way like in the beginning, but it went by quick. I was speaking to the lads out and it's like it's gone by quick and we wish we just started now. So I'd say take it serious, enjoy it.
First one would probably be don't be afraid to talk to your lecturers. I was working on building sites, so I had no idea what I wanted to do. And Brett rung me because I had like a half-hearted application to uni, didn't I? Because I didn't really know what to do. So just take the leap and just do it. But also whilst you're there, don't be afraid to ask your lecturer for questions on your work, like if it's right, if it's wrong, if it's in the right direction, because they're always there to help. But also read their feedback, because you put it there for a reason. In the first 2 years, I don't think I read a piece of your feedback, I'm not gonna lie. In the third year, obviously, you realise how important it is, especially within this. It's not like uni where your second year is like 20% of your weighting. Your third year is your whole degrees. If you mess up, that's on you. So read the feedback you're given, but also don't be afraid to learn how to use specific resources to your advantage. Like today's day and age, AI is everywhere. So learn how to use it in a way that it's not going to give you answers, but it can help structure and give you ideas on your work.